Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation. In the beginning, make sure that your Garmin is charged and preferably connected with your app. Once it's connected, let's go to navigation and go to search. Next, you can select search near, ACTA safe location, map point, recent find, or my current location. Next, select search tools and select where you'd like to go nearby. Select right and it's done. Now let's go to the map. Map should show you navigation. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.